Stop using basic Canva animations. Most people only use fade or slide, and that makes their videos look boring. In this video, I'll show you a few simple Canva animation hacks that can instantly make your video content look smoother and more professional. Let's get started. I'm in Canva, and for today's project, I'm going to go to Video and choose Landscape, but you can choose any size you want. Next, I'm going to come down here and click on Blank and change this background color to orange. Okay, the next thing I'll do is go to Elements and search for something, but I already see what I want here, so I'll choose this girl playing saxophone and pull it right down here. Next, I'll remove this white background, so I'll click on Background Remover, and then I'm going to pull it down there. Alright, so here's the girl with the saxophone. The next thing I'll do is click on her, then come here to Edit. I'm going to brighten her up a little bit. Okay, now I want to take this layer of her and duplicate it. It has to match up perfectly. So once you've done that, the next thing you'll need to do is come over here to Text. Click on this, I'll choose this font and make it white, then I'll type this. And I'll add a space at the end. Next, I'll grab the whole thing, including the space, and duplicate it 4 times, just like that. Okay, so I'll take this, click on Effects, then click on Curve, and I'll pull it so the size is about like that. The first thing I need to do is come back here to Effects. I'm going to go right there. Do you see this space down here at the bottom? You want to get that as close as you can to being closed without it overlapping. So now I'll shrink it down and put it back here like that. Next, I'll go to Animate, come down here to Rotate, and you can change the speed if you want to. So now when we play it, you'll see that it's moving. Yeah, that's good. So let's move this down in between these so we'll have a text sandwich. And now you can see it's behind her completely, right? So let's click on the top one and pull it up a little bit. And now it looks like she's actually standing inside the circle. So let's watch. So that's how that works. Let's try one more. So I'll come here and click on this and add a blank. I'll change the color, then come back over here to Elements and search for a baseball player. I could use graphics, but this time I want photos. So I'll click here on Photos and choose this guy. First, I'll get rid of the background and I'll close in a little bit closer, rotate him and make him bigger. Next, I'll pull it down here and duplicate it just like before. Make sure you match these up perfectly. Okay, let's go back over here to Text and let's type this. I'll change the font to something bigger, change the color to white, then duplicate it 4 times, the whole thing, including the space. Okay, so now let's go to Effects, go to Curve, and enlarge it like that. And we'll take this and shift it. So once you get it like that, and it's almost closed up like that, we'll put it down like this, then go to Animate. Next, choose Rotate. Now we'll take this top player and go like that. So now when we play it, it looks like he's inside the circle. So now we've got this rotating text and a person standing inside it. Very cool. So that's how you do it. I hope you have fun trying out this neat effect yourself, and I think you'll be surprised what kind of things you can make.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.